Good morning, dear students. Myself, Miss Dipti from DIPS Scrollbug. In today's lecture, we are going to continue Geography Chapter 3, the natural resources, natural vegetation and wildlife. In today's lecture, we are going to revise the wildlife. What is a wildlife? The term wildlife normally includes the members of plants and animal kingdom living in a natural habitat. In a biosphere, all organisms are interdependent. Interdependent means they are depend on each other for their food. This is known as interdependency. About millions of species have been listed, and many new ones are being discovered every year. So each part of the earth has its own group of animals, such as kangaroos are found in Australia, llamas are found in Andes, and penguins are found in polar regions only. So we are going to, here are the continent wise the important animals found in this all the continent. Number one, wildlife is Africa. Africa is gifted by a nature with a large variety of wildlife, which includes elephant, giraffe, zebra, lions, hippos, rhinos, panthers. Many national park and wildlife sanctuaries have been developed in Africa to provide natural habitat to the animals. Wildlife in Asia. Asia is known for a large variety of wildlife, which includes tigers, elephants, rhinos, monkeys, leopards, yak, pandas, lions, sloths, horns, fox, etc. Several varieties of fur-bearing animals such as milk, stable, musk, ox, polar bear, etc. are found in Arctic regions. Wildlife in Australia. Australia has a variety of wild animals which are much different from the other part of the earth. The animals found in the Australia are known as manuscripts, like kangaroos and koalas. They have pouches in their stomach, which is used to carrying their babies. Along these, there are also found leery birds, flightless emu, kookaburra, platypus, etc. Man has hunting animals for food and fur and the hides. Wildlife in Europe. Europe is not rich in wildlife. Most of the forest have been covered by the cleared to provide land for the settlement, industries, and agriculture. Some animals include wild birds, wolf and poles, polar bear, perigeate, cuckoos, skylarks, etc. are found there. In these European countries, fur-bearing animals are reared, such as mink, stable, and emmys. Wildlife in North America. North America has a large variety of wildlife even today. The north part of where the climate is very cold. So fur-bearing animals are found in the North America, like reindeer, Arctic fox, polar bear, blue fox, musk, ox, and etc. These type of animals are found in the North America. Wildlife in South America. South America has a large variety of wildlife, especially in the Amazon basin. Amazon basin is famous for their wildlife. Variety of wildlife is found. And here यहाँ की सबसे बड़ी बात जो है, साउथ अफ्रीका की एनिमल्स की जो बात आती है, ये वर्ल्ड में सबसे यूनिक एनिमल्स यहाँ पे मिलते हैं. कलरफुल एनिमल्स, कलरफुल बर्ड्स. एनिमल्स इज नॉट animals as well as birds. Colorful birds like red colored parrot is there, blue color parrot is there, yellow color parrots are there. Different colors of animals, birds species are found in the South America. So they are very so we can say the South America has a variety of wildlife, especially in Amazon basin. Here the pumas and jaguars animals are also found. Largest variety of bird and reptiles found in the South America itself. Conservation of wildlife. Conservation. Various economic activities of human have disturbed and destroyed the natural habitats of many wildlife. Indiscrimination hunting of animals, birds and reptiles for food, fur and further or skin has led to the extinction of the several species. This has generally upset the ecological balance. So birds and animals are hunted for their, sometimes we are hunted for the players, for their fur, for their food, for our food and for the skin. So but due to this, the many species has been come to an extinct, going to be extinct from the earth. एक्सटिंक्ट मतलब कि हमेशा के लिए ख़त्म हो जाएंगी. ऐसे कई स्पीसीज़ हैं जो कि बिल्कुल ख़त्म होने के कगार पे आ गई हैं और जिनको आज हमें सेव करके रखना बहुत ज़रूरी हो गया है. इसके लिए हम लोगों ने बहुत कुछ किया है, जैसे कि बायो रिजर्वर्स बनाए गए हैं, नेशनल पार्क्स आर देयर, वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरीज हैज़ बीन कंस्ट्रक्टेड टू प्रोटेक्ट दिस वाइल्ड एनिमल्स एंड द बर्ड्स. So in these reserve areas, hunting is not allowed. Hunting is not allowed. Birds live in a natural habitat and in a protected manner. So the World Wide Fund (WWF) and Greenpeace and TV channels like Animal Planets and National Geographic are also fighting to save the wildlife and on the earth. So many people, organizations, even some TV channels are also there who are fighting for the survival of these animals and birds. Cities means the conservation of national trade in endangered species of wild flora. Flora means plants and fauna means animals. प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स की इंडेंजर स्पीसीज को बचाने के लिए ये एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जो कि लोगों को अवेयर करती है इनकी प्रॉब्लम्स के बारे में और ट्राई टू इंटरनेशनल लेवल में कंट्रीज़ के बीच में ये कंट्रीज़ को उनकी वाइल्ड लाइफ के बारे में अवेयर करती है और वहाँ पर जो स्पीसीज़ हैं उनकी सेव करने के लिए और एक्सटिंक्ट होने से बचाने के लिए एफर्ट करती है. सो सिटी इज़ एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हु work for the welfare or for welfare as well as to save the wild animals and birds from going to be extinct. So in next lecture we are going to discuss the back exercise of this chapter once again, and thank you very much. Have a nice day.